Hello, my name is Wade from Wessex International, and today we're going to be talking you through a new product we've brought into our range. It's a fertilizer spreader, and the model number is the FSR-800. We brought this into our range as a 3-point linkage tractor mounted PTO driven fertilizer spreader. It's a larger capacity hopper, ideally suited to tractors of around about 30 horsepower and upwards. So it's perfect for anything with Cat 1 or Cat 2 linkage on it. So this spreader is ideally suited to any fine turf applications, whether that's a golf club application, it could be if you're a sports club, a high school, or even if you're looking to use it in an agricultural sense as well. That's also absolutely fine. This spreader is ideally suited for spreading granular or crystalline fertilizers. The empty weight of this spreader is 155 kilograms or 342 pounds. The capacities are 740 kilograms or 630 litres or 1,632 pounds or 138 gallons. It has a spread width of 12 to 18 metres or 40 to 60 feet. So we're going to dive into a few key features on this machine. So this machine comes as standard with a hydraulic hopper opening gate. That means that you don't have to lean over the back of your tractor to manually open and close that gate when you've come to the end of a run and you want to finish the flow of material onto the spinner. So you can just simply, from the comfort of your seat of your tractor, you can open and close that gate really easily. It does come with a manual option too, if you need it. It also comes with a large agitator that can be fitted as an optional extra to this machine to help the flow of your material through the hopper. This machine comes with a really nice and simple lockable gauge on it to allow you to set your gate positions depending on the material that you're spreading at the time. So you can quickly switch between different gate positions depending on the material that you're applying at that time. You've got adjustment on your spinner fins as well as the gate on the hopper. So you can adjust that to suit the application and the direction of spread that you want out of this machine. So that could mean spreading to the left or to the right, or a broadcast equally behind the spreader. It also comes with a full spreading chart to aid you in your application accuracy. In terms of the maintenance on this machine, obviously after every use you want to make sure that it's fully washed out, washed through. It also has grease points on it, so you've got various bearings down by the spinner and by the gearbox which are easily accessed, and they want to be obviously kept up to your maintenance schedule. The PTO shaft will of course need maintenance as well. Fantastic build quality on this machine. A lot of the main components like the hopper and a lot of the components in the center here are powder coated in a stainless steel to help prevent corrosion after use. So hopefully that helps with a bit of an overview of the new FSR-800 tractor mounted PTO driven spreader. If there's any questions or you'd like some more information on this machine, please do give us a call. The information will be down below. Once again, appreciate your time, and of course if you're able to, please subscribe to the channel, where I'd like to keep videos coming out to you, and we'll see you on the next one.